Y'all already see the vibes, man. We out here to do a test run on the 2001 Trx400ex, man. Like I told y'all, man, this how, you know, the customer bought me the bike, man, without the seat in the back plastic. So this how, you know, I got to test ride it. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna do the same thing, man. Just like always, man. We check to make sure it got gas. Make sure it got gas, and the gas is on. Okay, no more running out of gas, y'all. Y'all already know the vibes, man. Pipe is nice and cold, as y'all can see. My hand on the pipe. Let's get it started. No, this thing a little loud, boy, for real. This thing a little loud. Definitely a little loud. Let's get it started though, man. Y'all know what we came here for. Garbage can, watch this, y'all. Between the garbage can. Between the garbage. You're gonna go between the garbage can, y'all. right turn up here, y'all. Watch this. Watch this. Right turn. Make the right turn. Make a left turn. We going around the corner today, y'all. We taking pass room trips around the corner. Any bike game, man. Y'all know what